8 June 2021, India.com article on Corbevax COVID-19 vaccine. How is it different from other COVID-19 vaccines? India has placed an advance order to block 30 crore doses of a new COVID-19 vaccine called Corbevax from Hyderabad-based company Biological E. In fact, it could potentially be the cheapest vaccine available in India when it finally launches. How does Corbevax work? Corbevax, a recombinant protein subunit vaccine, has shown promising results in phase 1 and 2 trials. It is made up of a specific part of SARS-CoV-2, which is the spike protein on the virus's surface. Basically, the spike protein allows the virus to enter the cells in the body so that it can replicate and cause disease, thus developing an immune response against the injected spike protein. However, since this protein alone is given to the body, it is not expected to be harmful as the rest of the virus is absent. So when the real virus attempts to infect the body, it will already have an immune response ready that will make it unlikely for the person to fall severely ill. For the uninitiated, this method is in place since decades to make hepatitis B vaccines. But Corbevax will be among the first COVID-19 vaccines to use this platform. Meanwhile, Novavax has also developed a protein-based vaccine which is still waiting for emergency use authorization from various regulators. How is Corbevax different from other coronavirus vaccines? Currently, COVID vaccines that are approved so far are of three types. First, mRNA vaccines like Pfizer and Moderna. Second, viral vector vaccines like AstraZeneca Covishield, Johnson & Johnson and Sputnik 5. And third, inactivated vaccines like Covaxin, Sinovac and Sinopharm SARS-CoV-2 vaccine Virocell. Inactivated vaccines include killed particles of the whole SARS-CoV-2 virus and they attempt to target the entire structure of the virus. However, Corbevax, like the mRNA and viral vector vaccines, targets only the spike protein but in a different way. Viral vector and mRNA vaccines use a code to induce our cells to make the spike proteins, against which the body have to build immunity. In the case of Corbevax, we are actually giving the protein. Although Corbevax is indigenously produced, its beginnings can be traced to the Bayer College of Medicine's National School of Tropical Medicine. The school had been working on recombinant protein vaccines for coronaviruses SARS and MERS for a decade. Corbevax is administered in 2 doses. It is expected to be among the cheapest vaccines available in the country as it is made using a low-cost platform. The expected price for 2 doses will be Rs 400. In comparison, the Covishield vaccine comes at 300 to 400 rupees for a single dose and the Russian Sputnik 5 cost around 1000 for a single dose. How soon will Corbevax COVID vaccine available in India? The vaccine has received the nod for phase 3 clinical trials in India after showing promising results in phases 1 and 2. The central government will pay Rs 1500 crore for its consignment of 30 crore doses. Corbevax, like most other COVID-19 vaccines, is a 2-dose vaccine. After the completion of the phase 3 trials, production to meet the center's delivery target will continue between August and December. Will Corbevax be a game changer? Importantly, this is the first time the central government has placed an order for a vaccine that has not received emergency use authorization and has paid Rs 1500 crore in advance to block an order that could vaccinate 15 crore Indian citizens. The center has provided major preclinical and clinical trial support towards the vaccine development, including a grant in aid of Rs 100 crore from the Department of Biotechnology. The Hyderabad-based company Biological E is among the major vaccine makers in India, and by its own claim, it is the largest tetanus vaccine producer in the world. It has 7 WHO pre-qualified shots. including a 5-in-1 vaccine against diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis, hepatitis B, and Haemophilus influenza type B infections. Its vaccines are supplied to over 100 countries, and it has supplied more than 2 billion doses in the last decade.